Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. In this video, I'm sharing the best 12-volt impact wrenches that I personally tested for torque output, battery performance, comfort, durability, and real-world usability. A good 12V impact wrench gives you the perfect balance of portability and power, making it ideal for automotive work, small engine repairs, furniture assembly, and general home maintenance. Number 5. FULLYEA Cordless Impact Wrench. At number 5, I tested the FULLYEA Cordless Impact Wrench, a lightweight and budget-friendly tool designed for users who want simple, reliable performance for small to medium tasks. When I first picked it up, I immediately noticed the compact size and comfortable grip, which made it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. During testing, I focused on torque output, battery performance, and ease of use. The FULLYEA wrench delivered enough torque for light automotive work, furniture assembly, and general household tasks. The included battery held its charge well during multiple small tasks, and the charger worked quickly enough for short breaks between jobs. I also evaluated build quality and durability. While lightweight, the tool felt solid and well constructed for its price range. The motor ran smoothly, and the housing held up well during testing. From my experience, the FULLYEA Cordless Impact Wrench is a great entry-level option for homeowners who want a compact, easy-to-use tool for everyday tasks. Number 4. ACDelco 12V Impact Wrench. At number 4, I tested the ACDelco 12V Impact Wrench, a compact and reliable tool from a trusted automotive brand. Right away, I noticed the sturdy build and ergonomic design, which made it comfortable to use for extended periods. During testing, I focused on torque performance, trigger control, and overall usability. The ACDelco wrench delivered solid torque for a 12V tool, making it suitable for small automotive tasks, lawn equipment repairs, and general maintenance. I also evaluated build quality and durability. The ACDelco wrench felt rugged and well constructed, with a durable housing and smooth motor operation. It handled drops and heavy use without any issues. Compared to basic models, the ACDelco wrench offered better torque, stronger build quality, and more consistent performance, making it a great mid-range choice. From my experience, the ACDelco 12V Impact Wrench is ideal for users who want a reliable, well-built tool for everyday mechanical tasks. Number 3. AVID Power Impact Wrench. At number 3, I tested the AVID Power Impact Wrench, a surprisingly strong and versatile 12V tool designed for users who want more torque and better performance without jumping to a 20V system. When I first used it, I immediately noticed the strong motor and smooth operation. During testing, I focused on torque output, battery efficiency, and real-world performance. The AVID Power Wrench delivered impressive torque for a 12V tool, making it capable of removing lug nuts, loosening rusted bolts, and handling heavier tasks than expected. I also evaluated comfort and handling. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight made it comfortable to use for extended periods. The LED light was bright and well placed, illuminating the work area effectively. Compared to other 12V models, the AVID Power Wrench offered better torque, smoother operation, and stronger overall performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced DIYers. From my experience, the AVID Power Impact Wrench is a top choice for users who want strong performance and excellent value. Number 2. ACDelco 12V Cordless Impact Wrench. At number 2, I tested the ACDelco 12V Cordless Impact Wrench, Advanced Model, a premium version designed for users who want professional-grade performance in a compact 12V package. From the first use, I noticed the upgraded motor, stronger torque, and premium build quality. During testing, I focused on heavy-duty performance, torque consistency, and durability. This advanced ACDelco model delivered exceptional torque for a 12V tool, making it capable of removing lug nuts, loosening stubborn bolts, and handling demanding automotive tasks. Compared to other 12V impact wrenches, this ACDelco model offered superior torque, stronger build quality, and more professional-grade performance, making it ideal for serious DIYers and mechanics. From my experience, the ACDelco 12V Cordless Impact Wrench, Advanced Model, is a top choice for users who want maximum power and durability in a compact tool. Number 1. Powerbuilt 12-Volt Impact Wrench. At number 1, I tested the Powerbuilt 12-Volt Impact Wrench, and it delivered the best overall performance in every category. From the moment I started using it, I noticed its powerful motor, smooth operation, and rugged build quality. During testing, I focused heavily on torque, speed, and real-world performance. The Powerbuilt wrench delivered exceptional torque for a 12V tool, making it capable of removing lug nuts, loosening rusted bolts, and handling heavy-duty tasks with ease. Compared to all other 12V impact wrenches I tested, the Powerbuilt model offered the best combination of torque, durability, battery life, and overall performance, making it the top choice for anyone serious about automotive or mechanical work. From my experience, the Powerbuilt 12-volt impact wrench stands out as the best overall option because it delivers professional-grade performance, long-lasting durability, and exceptional control. Those are the best 12V impact wrenches based on my hands-on testing and real-world use. I evaluated each model based on torque, battery life, comfort, and overall performance. Each option offers different strengths, and the right choice depends on your project needs, skill level, and budget. For more details and current pricing, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.